Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to transfer your domain name to Hostinger. So if this is your first time visiting our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell so that you won't be missing out videos like this. So let's get started. So guys, once you purchase your Hostinger hosting plan, you simply need to log in, after which you click on what domains. After that you click on what transfer. Okay, so guys, after that you're going to say transfer domain name to Hostinger. Click on it. So you simply need to insert the domain name in which you want to transfer. Okay, but have in mind that if you purchase a new domain name, you simply need to wait for at least 30 days for you to be able to transfer it to Hostinger. Okay, and you simply need to unblock that domain name from the current hosting. So another way is that you simply need to have your authentication code, that is your transfer code. In some platforms you are going to see but transfer code. So guys, I will simply go to my old hosting, click on it. So I'll simply need to off this. It is actually on, meaning that I cannot transfer the domain except I off it. So that is how I unblock it. I'll click on it. So click here, save. So after that I'll copy the domain name, go back to my Hostinger and search for it. Okay, that's it. After that I'll click on purchase. So if you have any coupon code, you can simply add it here. If you don't have, you simply need to go to choose your payment method. So guys, here you can either use a credit card, Apple Pay or PayPal. So I'm going to insert credit card. So you simply need to insert your name and your credit card details. Okay, from here now you simply need to insert your country. So if you are a personal or a company, you simply need to insert it. So next. So that's it. You simply need to insert your personal details, that's your contact details. Click on next. Okay, from here now you simply need to choose your existing server. So let's say using this. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, you simply need to insert your transfer code. Insert it. Click on once you're done inserting your transfer code or your authentication code, you simply click on transfer domain. So guys, we are done transferring our domain name. So it is going to take 5 to 7 business days for it to complete. So we're going to click on continue. So guys, that is it. So we're going to come back in 7 to 5 business days, so for it to show complete here. So guys, that is actually the way you transfer your domain name to Hostinger. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial.